Hi kids, a very good morning to all. Mrs. Rasija from St. Thomas School. I am your VED teacher. Children, do you know what is value education? What is its importance in our life? Value education means to build well-rounded personality and to make one self-confident, responsible and sensible. It helps them to understand the meaning of life in a better way and lead a successful life as a responsible citizen. Listen, I will tell you a secret thing. If you want to be a pet of teachers and parents, you should have good manners, habits, and values. From this book, you will learn respect, obedience, hard work, unity, cleanliness, kindness, and other important values through stories. Everyone likes stories. Let's listen our first story with a moral value that is respect. You all must have heard the phrase give respect and take respect. In this story, we will hear about a rude son who didn't have any respect to his father. Let's see what happened in his life and what he learned from his life at the end of the story. Kavya, stand up and read the lesson.
Once there was a village named Singapuram. There lived a carpenter named Rakesh. His son was 5 years old. His name was Bimal.
Children, what is the name of village?
Singapuram.
What was the name of a carpenter?
Rakesh.
How old was Bimal?
5.
Kavya, continue the reading.
Rakesh's father was too old and he also stayed with them in their house. Rakesh began to think that his father was of no use to him since he became too old and unable to do any work. Rakesh always spoke angrily to his father. The old man remained silent whenever Rakesh spoke with him. Rakesh gave food to his father in a clay plate.
Good, Kavya. Sit down. Now let's understand the story. Once upon a time, in Singapuram, a carpenter and his son lived with his father. Who is carpenter? One who makes things out of wood. Carpenter name was Rakesh and his son name was Bimal. Rakesh's father was too old and he could not do any work. Rakesh thought that his father was no use and he always spoke angrily. He gave food to his father in a clay plate. Then also his father couldn't say anything. Kavya, continue.
One day the old man dropped the plate mistakenly and it broke off. Rakesh became very angry and scolded his father. He warned his father, if you break the next clay plate also, there will be no food for you and you will have to leave the house. Bimal was listening to his father's words silently.
Oh no! One day the old man broke the plate mistakenly. Rakesh became very angry. He told his father that if he broke another plate, then there would be no food for him and he will have to leave the house. Bimal was listening everything silently. Kavya?
The next day, in the evening, Rakesh came back home after his work. He saw his son doing some work with carpentry tools. He was surprised to see this and happily went near him. Rakesh asked Bimal, "What are you doing, my son?" Bimal replied, "Father, I am making a wooden plate for you. When you will become old, I will give you this plate so that you will not break it and I do not have to send you out of the house."
Sit down, Kavya, and listen. The next day, Rakesh saw that Bimal was doing some work. Rakesh asked his son, "What are you doing?" Bimal replied, "I am making wooden plate for you, so that you will not break the plate when you become old, and I do not have to send you out of the house." Kavya, continue.
Rakesh realized his mistake on hearing his son's word. He felt sorry for hurting his old-aged father. He apologized to his father for his rude behavior. Rakesh, Bimal and his grandfather went inside the home to have a nice dinner together.
Hearing Bimal's words, Rakesh understood his mistake. He said sorry to his father. After that, they lived very happily. Children, do you know what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is we have to respect our elders. Do not let our parents down and keep them up. They are doing everything for us only. Kids, promise me that you will always respect your elders wherever you are, whatever your positions are. Do this homework in your textbook only. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class with another story of an important value that we need to succeed in our life. Till then, see you. Bye bye.